This luxurious pasta salad recipe is one gift you may want to give your family and friends. It's super delicious and easy to make. For salad dressing, combine Greek yogurt, mustard, turmeric, olive oil, black pepper, cumin, and maple syrup. Also, add 1 minced garlic clove. I will list full ingredients in the description box. So let's go ahead and get the details first. Add lemon juice. Mix very well and keep aside. Then, in a big bowl, add the pasta, onion, carrot, ham, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, and cheese. Isn't this beautiful and luxurious? Now pour the salad dressing and gently mix it to combine very well. Taste to make sure everything is well incorporated. The salad needs more mixing, so I'll go ahead and mix it very well. But remember, do it gently. This salad tastes much better when it's cold, so I'll wrap it up and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour or longer. And then it will be time to dig right in and enjoy the deliciousness. Thanks for watching.